Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Bitcoin update and the Pepe update, of course. It's a Pepe update, but I'm just going to do a small Bitcoin comment. So, starting off with Bitcoin, 4 hour time frame here, back since March 2024, we've seen a move to the downside, a break above, we've moved another move to the downside, another break above, right? And again, similarly, another move to the downside, a break above. But unfortunately, is this retest? The retest is still pending, right? We still have a little bit of support going on in here. So this retest is important, very, very important. I've spoke about it before, saying that it could actually be that Bitcoin comes to 60,000 one more time and actually retest and try to push to the upside. So it's very clear break. Just the retest is a little bit of an issue right now. Let's just hope Bitcoin doesn't go below 58,000. If it does try to go below 58,000, maybe a retest is going to be unsuccessful, unfortunately. So let's get into the Pepe chart now, and let's try to match what is it doing with Bitcoin. I think that was a good idea to show you what's happening with Bitcoin first. So yes, I think Pepe is also down to the retest situation. You can see that's pretty much down, going up, came down. And I think it's time that we see Pepe probably just touching this trend line a little bit and then go back up one more time. So I think we still have chances. There's nothing wrong. And this is the only thing I've been talking about for the past 4 to 5 days. And of course, retest is done. We go back up again, right? Bitcoin also goes back up to 72,000. I think July has the potential to turn out to be good, and August can actually be a little bit slow, followed by September, which can actually bring some little few red candles. September is not very good in crypto, but I want to say that try to survive until September, because we're very close to September. How many months? August and September. We're already in July, okay? So I'm pretty excited, because then again, I always say exciting times are ahead, and you guys think it's going to happen in 1 hour or 2 hours or maybe straight after this video. No. I'm just going to give it time until next year, right? You just have time until next year. I'm just going to keep saying this again and again in the channel because I'm spreading positivity as it should be done so, because it is time to stay positive. It is time that these opportunities must be taken on hand, because you don't get them every single day. So that's all for this update on Pepe. I'm going to see you the next round of office.